Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I wanted to get some color into my space for spring and Easter, so I decided to do a centerpiece for my table. So here I have this beautiful metal flower pan that I found at the dollar store. Just look at the intricate design on this pan. I really love it. I love the rope for handles, and it was only $4.75 at the dollar store. So this I really love. So here I also have some floral foam that I will be using to set up the arrangement, and I also have some decorative carrots that I will be using. You will see how I use these. There are 2 pieces in this pack and it was $2. So I also got some green moss, guys, because I want the flowers to look like they're growing straight from the ground. So these are the florals that I will be using. These are some daisies. Daisies are very spring. These are chrysanthemums, and I have some lilacs. Now the tall white ones, I'm not sure what those ones are. If you know, you can put it in the comments below. So here I have a couple egg picks that I will be adding as well to the arrangement. And the star of my show has got to be this bunny butt. How cute is this? I got this at the Dollar Tree and I saw it and it was really cute. On here on the tag it says it's a bunny tail, but most people call it a bunny butt. So I'm going to start by cutting my florals to the length that I want. And remember, I told you I got a wire cutter because it makes it so much easier to cut the flowers. So I'm adding the floral foam. I'm not going to glue it to the pan because I'm not doing it for anyone. I might want to reuse it, so I'm just gonna add the green moss on top. So this is all set, so now it's time to add the florals to the pan. I'm just gonna start by putting the tall white flowers to the back to give it some structure, but I haven't planned how I want it to look or how it's gonna turn out, so I'm going to just go ahead and rearrange as I go along. So remember, I showed you these decorative carrots. I'm going to be putting them to the corner like this because I want to make like a little carrot patch for my little bunny to dig in. So now I'm going to add my bunny butt to the corner of the pan like this. And I love it. I love it. It looks super cute. And I really love the little carrot patch. And now I'm going to add my egg picks as the final touch to my Easter spring floral arrangement. So I really loved how this turned out, guys. It's beautiful, it's colorful, and it will make a great centerpiece. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and I will see you in the next video.